Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warranty-Wise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic BMW X3 for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot on the brake, press the start stop button there, car fires up very nicely, slip the joystick down into drive, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away really nicely there, the gearbox feels really smooth, suspension's riding the bumps on this country road with ease, brakes feel nice, steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. As you can imagine, it being a BMW and the model that it is a really superb car to drive. Although you sit a bit higher up and you've got great visibility, it handles more like a normal lower down car. It's really powerful as well and got loads of upgrades. We've got the BMW Professional Pro multimedia system with the widescreen and the sat nav there. You've also got Bluetooth for your mobile phone hands-free, as well as for audio streaming, DAB radio, as well as FM and AM, and auxiliary input and USB port. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver should they wish. This really lovely leather, really love the colour as well, with the contrast between the black carpets and the ivory leather. Also got a really nice leather multi-function steering wheel with the flappy paddles, so you can take over the gearbox should you want to. Cruise control, automatic lights, wipers, parking sensors, and also the Maxton gloss black body kit really sets the car off. Such a good looking car. Head up display, I don't know if you can see that on the video, but yeah, really great car. Lovely specification. Now I hope that's been useful for you. Thank you for watching. You take care and bye for now.